Welcome back, viewers. In a previous episodes, we discussed about the variable and its nature, and further we will study about the variables. Then we can start. This is the code block, and this is the variable declaration. If we assign a value to this variable, then we can say initialize the value of a. So this statement will be known as the declaration with initialization. One is the another concept of L value and R value. If we declare another variable of b, then if we assign the value of b inside a is b is assigned to a, then in this program the L value is known as a and R value is known as b, according to this concept. In this episode, we will discuss about the constant. Constants refers to a fixed value that the program may not alter during its execution. If we declare constant with the help of const keyword and const int a, this is the right way it will be executed. We want, if we assign a value to a equal to 1 and we post increment this value with a plus plus, and we will print the value of a with the help of format specifier %d a and semicolon, and we will write we will build and run. Then in a plus plus, this is the error. This will create an error in a plus plus. Why this is error? In the error description, we will see here increment of read only variable a. The variable a is now read only variable. Value of a is a fixed value. Value of a is a 1 and it can't be incremented by any operation. Then we can remove this, and we will like to print this statement and further complete. This will be completed, and after this execution of this statement, we will like to compile a plus plus, and again Control C, Control V, again run. Then there will be an error again. Thus we can say the variable a cannot be incremented by any operation. This is the variable a is a constant variable. These variables are also called literals. Constant can be of any of the basic data types like integer constant and floating constant, a character constant, or a single string literals. There are enumeration constant as well. constant are treated just like regular variable, except that their values cannot be modified after their definition. So here is the definition of variable. This string literals are an integer literals, can be decimal, octal or hexadecimal constants. A prefix specifies the base or radix. Sometimes zero x or 0 capital X for hexadecimal characters, hexadecimal integer literals, 0 for octal or nothing for decimal. Then this is for hexadecimal, zero for octal, nothing for literals, sorry, decimals. And integer literals can be also have a suffix that is the combination of u and l for assigned, unsigned and long respectively. The suffix can be uppercase and lowercase and can be in order, in any order. Here is some example. Two one two, it is legal. 216 and u is also legal. 0x f double e l is legal. But 0 7 8 9 sorry 6 8 9 is not an octal value, so that is not legal. 032 uu cannot be repeated as suffix, suffix cannot be repeated, so this is that will be not this is illegal. We can erase this. 85 in decimal it is possible. 0 213 it is octal because we added in beginning 0, then it is octal. 0, if we write this 0x, then it is hexadecimal, something like the 4b, yeah, it 1 2 3 etc., and it is also a hexadecimal, just like this. Floating point literals, a floating point literal has an integer part, a decimal part, a fraction part, and can an exponent part. You can represent floating point literals either in decimal form or exponential form. We represent decimal form, you must include the decimal point, the exponent or both, and while representing exponent form you must include the integer part, the fraction part or both. The signed exponent is introduced by e or capital E, small e or capital E. uh, we start with another constant that is called character constant. Character literals are enclosed in a single quote just like this: char variable a, और a वेरिएबल सिंगल कोड के अंदर मान लो दे दिया ये a, it is known as character constant. Character letters are enclosed in a single quote, and single quote a can be stored in a simple variable of char type. A character literals can be a plain character, an escape sequence character, or an universal character. There are certain characters in C that is represent special meaning when proceed by the backslash, for example new line or slash tab. Another one is the string literals. String literals or constants are enclosed in double quotes just like this. This A, B, C. This is known as string literals, but here we assign an array to this variable. A string contains characters that are similar to character literals, plain character, escape sequence character, or universal characters. You can break a long line into a multiple using line using string literals or separating them in white spaces, just like this, with comma, space. Okay. If we want to define a constant, there are defining a constant there are two ways: using hash defined procedure, pre procedure, just like this, hash define A10, और using const keyword, ये और const int a equal to 10. Both have same meaning. Hash defined preprocessor is a complete code that is pre-compiled and executed, which gives the same result as constant both are the same. If you like to study more about the variable, then you have to study yourself. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like our episodes, so please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.